Welcome to another tutorial, guys. Today we're going to show you how you can export your CSV file from Hyperliquid, because we know you have been degenning and making some money on Hyperliquid, especially with that juicy airdrop. So better follow this step-by-step guide, because we're going to show you how you can get your transaction history and then import it into, for example, software like CoinTracking to do your crypto taxes. Looking into the computer, we have to have an account in CoinTracking, for example, and if we go to imports, then we see in quick access an exchange called Hyperliquid. If we click Hyperliquid, then we will get a detailed instruction how to get your CSV file and which link actually to click. So all we have to do basically is click this link and you will be redirected to the correct site in Hyperliquid to export your CSV file. And then you have to export your trade history, the funding history, and get your deposits and withdrawals. I'm going to show you that for just a single file, and then you can do it for the rest. Works the same way. So we have to go to Hyperliquid, and in Hyperliquid you have to be logged in, so connected with your MetaMask, or if you chose to log in with your email account. And then if you scroll down, then you will see the funding history. You can click export as CSV, and same for the trade history. You can click export as CSV. Gonna click that, and then our CSV file is generated. You will see it in your download folder, and then we can go back to CoinTracking and upload that file here. Once we click choose file, then we will select the trading history. It will load, and we click continue to import. Once you click continue to import, then you will see all your trades, and you see that all the trades are listed and you don't see any error. Once everything looks good for you, then you simply click start import, and then all your trades will be imported. On the right side, you will see a big green check mark for Hyperliquid import has been done. So all the transactions are done, and you have to continue with the next CSV. Once you have imported all your CSV files from Hyperliquid and the balance look all right, and you fixed all your errors, then you can move on to the tax report. And only then, please, if you imported all your transactions from all the different exchanges, all the different wallets, only then you can move on to the tax reports. Otherwise, you're gonna have errors in tax report, and then you have to go back and redo everything, fix the errors, and only then you can go back. So let's assume in our example, we have everything in our account. We don't have any errors. We looked through all the reports. We did the balance check, the missing transactions, the duplicate transactions. We validated transactions and did the transaction flow report, everything in a green light. Then we can go to the tax report and create a tax report. Here we have the option to scroll down and then select our country. Once you select your country, then our recommended settings are pre-selected for you, and you don't have to change anything, but you have the option to change in here whatever you please. Then let's select 2024 and then click generate a new tax report now. In a few seconds, since we don't have many transactions this year, you will see that the tax report has been generated. And if we click load report, then we will see a summary of our tax report. And then if you scroll down more, you will see even more information about your capital gains and so on. But we only want to download the tax report now. So if you click download, then you will have some more options how you would like to download the tax report, and also if you want to download as a PDF or Excel sheet. This is everything you need to know to get your Hyperliquid crypto tax report really fast. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. Give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'm gonna see you in the next video or degenning in Hyperliquid.